Hey there, Rebel. Today I'm walking you through the top 10 print-on-demand products of 2024. So let's get started. Hi there, Rebel. Can you believe it's already September? The holiday season is quickly approaching, so I wanted to look at 2024's best-selling print-on-demand products. Using social media, Everbee, and eRank, I went through Etsy bestsellers list and was really surprised to find so many print-on-demand products. So here are the top 10 print-on-demand products that I found. And remember, it's not too late to start your print-on-demand shop just in time for the holiday season, and I hope these products bring you a little bit of inspiration. So let's get into them. Number 1, customizable t-shirts. Customizable t-shirts, especially those featuring niche-specific quotes, pet illustrations, or seasonal designs, continue to dominate sales. Trending themes include birthdays, holidays, and pop culture references, but as always, make sure to check for trademarks and copyrights. T-shirts are very competitive among the print-on-demand community, so finding a super sub-niche audience is key to making sales. Along with creating designs directly related to that sub-niche that are really going to connect with your ideal audience is another huge factor in having a successful print-on-demand shop. You need to be creating designs for your audience, not what you like. It's not about what you like, it's about what your audience likes, and that's what they're going to buy, what they like. So please do your research. Gelato offers a huge variety of t-shirts from men, women's, and even kids sizes, as well as direct-to-garment printing and embroidery printing techniques. Number 2, personalized mugs. Customized mugs with either quotes or names or some type of personalized image sell so well, especially on Etsy and especially during the holiday season. Themes like pets, teachers, and unique professions and hobbies are bestsellers. Again, do your research. Find a niche-specific saying that relates to your audience or an inside joke only your niche audience would understand. So if you can incorporate personalization into your design, do it. Customized products really sell so well. Gelato offers a variety of different sizes of mugs as well as water bottles. There is one mug though that is an enamel mug and it is not able to go in the microwave. So make sure that if you are adding this product into your print-on-demand shop, you are letting your customers know some kind of safety and product handling features of the products that you include. As always, I think it's good to include kind of a FAQ and about this item and maybe like care requirements for the products that you are selling in your product description as well as within the orders that you send out, just so your customers are aware of how to take care of their print-on-demand products efficiently. Number 3, custom hoodies and sweatshirts. Personalized, embroidered, or printed hoodies featuring initials, zodiac signs, birth years, portraits, names are trending. I've also seen products like these custom embroidered dog portrait sweatshirts and future Mrs. hoodies. They do really well on Etsy. Comfort and cozy vibes are the key selling points, especially for the colder months, which are coming up. So now is the time to start pushing hoodies and sweatshirts. Gelato also offers zip hoodies and a variety of different printing techniques for their hoodies, sweatshirts, and zip-ups. Number 4, phone cases. Customized phone cases with trendy aesthetics such as minimalistic art, nature-inspired designs, or names or portraits are hot-selling items, especially when it comes to gift giving on Etsy. Personalized cases with photos or custom art that looks like your customer's pet with their pet's names are bestsellers on Etsy. I'm telling you, customized products is where it's at. Number 5, wall art canvases, poster prints, and hanging picture frames. Personalized wall art including star maps, family portraits, wedding anniversaries, some type of minimalistic custom design geared towards a specific niche like families, babies, or weddings. really sell so well, especially on platforms like Etsy and Amazon. The ability to create custom designs using dates, names, or locations boosts sales. The more customized elements you add to a design, the more you can charge for your products. Customers love to be a part of the customization process. It's an inclusive experience, as if they had a hand in creating this special gift for someone they care about themselves. Making the buying experience positive is crucial for repeat business. So make sure you are clear with how your customer needs to be delivering their custom images or texts, just so that back and forth process goes smoothly, so you can in turn get some repeat customers. Number 6, personalized tote bag. Eco-friendly and customizable tote bags with personal designs such as monograms or meaningful quotes are super popular. They're seen frequently on TikTok as trending accessories. Relating these to a niche as well as adding seasonal designs sells so well. Right now, personalized Halloween tote bags are trending on Etsy, and you can even kind of advertise them as an eco-friendly product, because buying a tote bag that is durable, made out of canvas like the ones Gelato offers, you're able to offer your customer an eco-friendly product because they can use it again the following years, so long as they take care of the products that they are receiving. Tote bags can be marketed as practical use products as well. So try to brainstorm niches who would find a tote bag helpful within their day-to-day activities. Like for a book lover, maybe a personalized tote bag to carry their books for the library, or again for that eco-friendly, eco-conscious person, using a reusable tote bag as a grocery bag to reduce the use of plastic. Number 7, personalized jewelry, whether it be engraved or an actual cut-out image of a portrait or some type of design element. Custom jewelry, especially engraved pieces with names or birthstones, perform really well on Etsy as well as TikTok. They are frequently promoted as sentimental gifts, and Christmas and Valentine's Day are literally right around the corner, so it's time to get those gifts going. Number 8, pet accessories. Bandanas, collars, beds, literally anything geared towards practical use pet products are very popular and trending on Etsy as well as TikTok Shop. Personalized pet bandanas, engraved pet collars, and custom printed pet beds are huge sellers, with TikTok showcasing unique ways to personalize these products. Now, the niche is pets and dogs. You need to hone in on a sub-niche, and that sub-niche is going to be related to the design that you are incorporating on these accessory products, like Western, Gothic, boho, or maybe even minimal. That is where you're going to find your target audience based off of the design aesthetic deeper in within that niche of pets. Number 9, custom stickers. Stickers with custom designs, names, or niche-specific themes are popular on Etsy and TikTok shops. They appeal to collectors, crafters, and those looking to decorate items like laptops and water bottles. So definitely kind of good now that kids are going back to school. Sticker bombing has become very popular. Selling stickers in bundles or on sheets is the best way to ensure a good profit, as well as encourage buyers to buy more than just one sticker at a time. This not only helps the customer save on shipping, but cuts down your cost as well. But from what I've found, stickers are a very tricky product, especially when it comes to print on demand. And a lot of the shops that I have found on Etsy, on TikTok Shop, they're making the stickers themselves. And sometimes that is the better option based off of how profits go. So really do your research and do what's going to work best for you. And lastly, number 10, custom photo book. Personalized photo books, especially for keepsakes like baby memory books or wedding anniversary books or family vacation books, really hold a special part and are such a truly unique, customized product that you can be offering to a variety of different evergreen niches, which are a super huge selling point and very big audience. Gelato offers hard and soft cover photo books. You would just need your customers' pictures as well as text that they would like to include. When it comes to designing these photo books, you really have to hone in on, again, a specific design aesthetic within that umbrella niche. Let's say you're going for babies. That's a very big niche. You want to hone in on a specific design trend to attract those specific customers. I've also seen photo books at a fairly high retail price, but that's totally valid because there is so much customization that goes into these photo books. Personally, if I was a photographer, I would try to incorporate these hardcover or softcover print-on-demand photo books into the services that I offer my customers. Building up that ticket price by incorporating a specialty made photo book with the pictures that you have taken from photography sessions with customers. And with all print-on-demand products, you're not only able to print and sell these to customers, but you're also able to create print-on-demand products for yourself or for your own personal use or even for gifts. So definitely go ahead and order things for yourself once you find your favorite print-on-demand products. I know I have. There's so many on Gelato that I love that I've ordered, and when you open a new Gelato account, within the first 48 hours of ordering samples, you will get 50% off your sample order. I have that special link linked down below, so grab your samples. There you have it, the top 10 products for print-on-demand in 2024 so far. What are your favorites and what are you looking to create and add into your print-on-demand shop before the year ends? The holidays are fast approaching, so get those designs ready to go. I can't wait to see what you create, and I'm so excited you're here learning with me. I'll see you in the next video. See you, Rebel!